Today's video, I'll show you guys how to unlock higher FPS in NFS Underground 2 for smoother gameplay by removing the 60 FPS limit. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and go to Files tab and select Manual Download option. Select Slow Download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And then just close stuff here and right click on the game and the desktop shortcut and select open file location. Open the WinRAR and just drag and drop these files inside of a game folder. Select the replace the file in the destination and do this and select continue. Just right click on the FPS uncap.ini and select edit in notepad. In FPS limit, type your desired FPS limit. I'm gonna set it to 240 and select file and select save. My monitor supports 240 fps, so I'm selecting this, and then after saving this, just close stuff here and launch the game. You can enjoy the game on the desired fps, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.